Today, let's talk about how to migrate your host and workload to AWS and Pure Cloud Block Store using Cirrus Migrate Cloud. First, if you don't already know, Cirrus Migrate Cloud is a patented solution created to help customers move data from anywhere to anywhere with intelligently minimized workload disruption. Compute migration is a migration feature specifically designed to migrate not just your data, but also your entire operating system and applications from one platform to another. We will demonstrate migrating from VMware to AWS. Let's first walk through how CMC does it. First, we will deploy Cirrus Migrate Cloud on your Linux and Windows host. This host can be a physical server or a virtual machine from any hypervisor. Next, Cirrus Data Cloud will use its AWS integration to create a new instance and start your live migration non-disruptively. CMC will also prepare your compute, network, storage environment, and all other necessary remediation steps automatically for you. We have further integrated with Pure Storage to create purpose-built integrations with Pure Cloud Block Store. CMC can optionally migrate your data volumes directly to Pure CBS without having to first migrate to Elastic Block Store and perform a second migration to Pure Cloud Block Store. In that case, CMC will also automatically perform all iSCSI and multi-path related host setup for you. When you are ready to cut over, since CMC has already kept your data synchronized, all we need is to shut down the source and power up the instance in AWS. We're going to migrate this Windows 2019 host with a C drive and a Windows SQL 01 volume to Pure Cloud Block Store. First, go to Cirrus Data Cloud and deploy Cirrus Migrate Cloud on your host. Copy and paste the Windows or Linux installation command in the shell, and CMC will install and register to Cirrus Data Cloud all by itself. Now, we are ready to migrate. With Cirrus Data's data mobility as code automation platform, Migrate Ops, we will be able to set up our operation and complete all tasks with just one click. Migrate Ops is a purpose-built data mobility as code automation platform that is designed to make data migration in enterprise scale easier, safer, and more predictable. We are ready to create our migration operation. Click on Start New Operation, and this will open up an editor window where we can enter the configuration. Like many other industry-standard automation tools, this configuration is in YAML syntax. You are recommended to build the configuration with usual coding practices, but you can also create this using our configuration builder in the Cirrus Data Cloud UI. After selecting a recipe, all configuration fields related to that recipe will appear. For this demo, we already have a YAML file prepared. This is our completed configuration. Note that this is just for one host. You can add as many hosts as you want into your configuration. But for now, let's keep it simple and submit this configuration for this demo. Our YAML file is now pasted into the configuration editor window. Unless the scheduled start time field is specified in the configuration, the operation will start right away. Let's do that. The operation will now execute and proceed. You can monitor the progress with the detailed messages. All necessary steps needed to migrate our host and workload to the new environment will be shown here. After a brief moment, the operation has been completed. Our boot drive is migrated to AWS, and all data volumes are on Pure Cloud Block Store. And that's how you effortlessly migrate your host and workload to AWS and Pure Storage with Cirrus Data, ensuring unmatched scalability and performance for the future. If you would like to use more advanced features, such as zero downtime cutover, please check out other video demos on our YouTube channel or visit our customer center for the most updated KB articles available on this topic.